i1-SP380 separator. Edge level comfort. Turn on the right power switch. Press temp switch to activate heating. Set temperature to gear 2, 100 Celsius degree. Heat-resistant silicone strips on both sides. During high-temperature operation, safe to adjust platform barehanded without burns. Built-in sealing silicone ring. Securely grips screens without extra pads. Platform tilts left or right. Left side electronic brake. Locks platform tilt angle. 360-degree free rotation. Right side rotating brake handy. Locks rotation angle. Activate lower vacuum to secure screen. Machine starts vacuum countdown. Time adjustable, within 300 seconds, or unlimited. Auto pump shutdown after timing. Extends vacuum pump lifespan. Boosts efficiency. Wire separates glass cover from LCD. Separation completed. Built-in high-power low-noise vacuum pump. Strong and stable suction. Install heat-resistant screw clamp. Attach positioning bracket. Place framed curved screen. Clamp screen securely. Set temperature to gear 3, 120 Celsius degree. Perform separation with cutting wire. Separation completed. Release screw clamp. Remove screen. Multi-position bracket design. Quickly secures any screen size. Install disassembly bracket. Adjust suction cup position. Activate upper vacuum. Suction cups firmly grip screen. 360-degree rotation and left, right tilt. Omnidirectional 3D adjustment. Precisely control flow of alcohol, chemical solution. Dissolves adhesive only, safe for flex cables screen. Secure, rapid, efficient. Rotating micrometer. Gently separate screen. Disassembly completed. i1-SP380 separator.